Today's video is going to be all about styling your hair with a wave instead of a curl. So my hair can go from curly to wavy. Here's an example of a curly photo that I have. There's days where I can manipulate it and style it like that. And then there's days where I just want more of a wave, like a beachy wave. And so today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Stay tuned and keep watching. There's three factors that I've noticed that really enhance my curls and make them curlier, and so I'm gonna avoid those today. And those three things are pixie diffusing, scrunching, and plopping, micro plopping. So those three things we will not do at all today, and that's gonna allow me to have more of a wave like this rather than the tight curls. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I am ready to start with conditioner. So I'm gonna go in with the Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is by Shea Moisture. It doesn't take much. I'm gonna use about that much for my whole head. And you're gonna apply it from roots to ends, focusing more on the ends, but I like to get over the top as well. So I'm just gonna work that through. Okay, next I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I really like the Shea Moisture brand. It's clean ingredients, no sulfates, no sulfites, and no parabens either. So I'm using about this much. I'm just going to do the same thing and work this through my hair as well. Okay, now that I've worked that through, I'm going to use Love Your Curls. It's by LUS, and it's the Irish Sea Moss Gel. And today I will not be scrunching my hair because I want more of a wave instead of a curl. And so the nice thing about curly hair or wavy hair, whatever you have, is you can kind of manipulate it and add more curls if you want, like by finger coiling or brush styling, or diffusing. The pixie diffusing was going to give you more curl, more volume. Or if you want a wave, then I'm showing you how to do that. So I'm going to take the gel, I'm just going to work it through my hair. I want to make sure it's evenly distributed. The front part of my hair tends to get more frizzy, and so I want to make sure I'm getting the gel there as well. All right, now I'm going to take my brush, brushing up and out. You can also brush upside down. Normally, whenever I want my hair curly, I would start scrunching it, and I'm gonna do it a little bit differently this time. I'm gonna take my hands because I want the wave. So I'm gonna take my hands and just squeeze my hair, which is gonna kind of create those curl clumps. So I'm gonna just go around and do that. And I have no idea where I learned this. I just kind of made it up. Just from, you know, all the different times of styling and realizing like, oh, my hair did this time. And because I feel like my hair is parted so hard down the middle, I'm gonna flip my hair over and just brush it this way. Just so whenever I style, I can decide where I want the part. Like it'll just move around. I won't have a defined part. Doing the squeezing again. There's a good example of what it should look like. So basically, the biggest difference is you're squeezing your hair instead of scrunching. Now I'm gonna take a cotton towel. You can use microfiber or cotton. And all I'm gonna do is squeeze out the excess moisture. So normally I would take my towel and go underneath and scrunch, but since I don't want the curls, I want waves, I'm just squeezing my hair. So I'm taking this, show you up close. Put it together and squeeze. So that like pretty much creates the waves. When you diffuse, if you diffuse all of your hair, you're gonna hover the entire time, okay? So do not pixie. What I'm gonna do is hover first. I'm gonna get probably my hair about 50% dry, and then I'm gonna let it air dry, and then that's it. Down in the description box below is a video of how I diffuse and different techniques on diffusing. So there's a full video on that if you wanna check that out. I would say my hair is about 75% dry right now. Okay, so it's gonna help with reduced frizz and also increase volume. So you're gonna put this on roots And I kind of just do this since I'm not scrunching. I just put my hands in there, and that helps get all the excess that's in between your fingers as well. All right, now I'm back. So the last step, now that my hair is 100% dry, I want it to have more definition and just reduce any frizz that might be there. More of the curl enhancing smoothie you can apply to damp or dry hair. This is something I use in the summertime a lot when my hair's frizzy from humidity. This is a great way to just smooth it down. So I'm gonna take about that much, and then I'm also gonna take this BioSilk Therapy Lite. It's like an oil, and it smooths out and it shines your hair up, makes your hair shiny. So I'm just gonna mix those two together. I'm gonna smooth it through, especially through my ends. And I'm just doing that same kind of squeeze that I did before. Okay, and then I can evaluate and decide, like, do I want to add more? If I want to add more volume to my hair, I can just take my hands and put it underneath like this. I do this without any rings on just because my rings tend to get caught in my hair. You can also flip, just kind of bounce it, flip it back over. And that adds quite a bit of volume too for me, so. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.